This is it, guys.
Higher up I go, the more dizzy I feel.
You're at the top of the cave now. We go up in here.
I mean, don't get me wrong, I wasn't dizzy up on top here, but I don't know why, this is different. But it is.
It is gonna make you dizzy, love, no, because of height, I guess.
I don't like that.
Woo! We are at the top. We are kind of very small. Here we are. Here we are. Nagdadibble me. We going up in there, down there, there, down there, and we go up here, just in this part, and we're gonna go down there. Our way is in there, going down there. La 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 la. Ha! Look at that one. La 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 la. Ha! Hi.
Hey, you said you wanted me to...
Yeah, take me a picture here.
Okay.
Hold on. Ask to
What? Spin a bit. Spin. There we go.
against the light.
Huh. Ooh, there she is.